In this program, we'll start using the maker screen by turning on and off its backlight once a second. This program is similar to the other Blink programs you've done with LEDs or with the LED strip. The first thing we'll do is include the maker screen library. This allows us to use special functions that are specific to the maker screen and its circuitry. By using the hash include makerscreen_xvi.h, we now have access to functions like begin, backlight, clear, and set cursor that we'll use in future projects. Next, you have to tell the maker screen library the name of the screen you'll use. Here, I've named it LCD because that's easy to type and easy to remember. In the void setup, you'll type lcd.begin. That function sets up the maker screen to work correctly. You don't need any arguments between the parentheses of the lcd.begin function. In the void loop, you'll first use the lcd.backlightOn function to turn on the backlight of the maker screen. Notice that the O in on is capitalized, and it will have to be that way for the backlight on function to work. This doesn't need any arguments between the parentheses of the function. Next, you'll use the delay function with an argument of 1000 to wait 1000 milliseconds, or 1 second, with the backlight on. Next, you'll use the lcd.backlightOff function to turn off the backlight of the maker screen. Again, notice that off has a capital O, and you'll have to capitalize that O for the function to work correctly. The LCD before .backlightOff and before backlightOn refers to what you named the LCD way up here above the void setup. You can change the name of your LCD, but realize that you'll need to change the name everywhere that you use a function that refers to that name. Finally, you'll use the delay function with an argument of 1000 to wait 1000 milliseconds with the backlight of the LCD turned off. When the code reaches the closing curly brace of the void loop function, it jumps back up to line 12 and starts to run all the code in the void loop again, blinking on and off the backlight of your maker screen.